What's going on today, guys? I want to talk about common sense, something that is very overlooked in our world, and it's the biggest difference between entrepreneurs who succeed and who get to the next level and entrepreneurs who stay behind. They're not willing to really, put money in, invest, and, be patient, because common sense over here is like slim to none. And I work with a lot of people throughout every single day. People who ask dumb questions, people who do things and then expect that it's going to be correct when they don't even check their work. And this is a good testament to Tai Lopez. I was watching one of his videos and he was basically talking about, basically with like Six Sigma and how there should only be one defect per 1,000 or 10,000. I forgot what it was, but it's basically going and alluding to why planes don't crash, right? And these pilots, they're checking these buttons and they're doing all these things, and that's why planes don't crash, because they have certain processes that are templated out for you to the point where that defect per million is so freaking low. That's why planes don't crash. Same thing with your business. A lot of people don't succeed because they have no common sense. They just put stuff out, they don't think about it, they think that they just got to get it done to get it to work, when it's more about the quality and having a very scalable business offer, landing page ads, whatever the case may be. They're not willing to take the time because they have no common sense. And I think that this is a great time for us, especially in the new year, to audit our common sense. And I'm not saying this in a rude manner. I'm just saying, guys, there's a lot of things that I do on a daily basis that I've sharpened my tool on to the point where I can catch when people don't have common sense. And it astonishes me. Probably about 70% of people that I talk to have no fucking common sense. And that is even though it's such a common thing that we think people have, it is a big reason why most people can't navigate entrepreneurship and navigate the space. You have to understand that the biggest thing for you to do when you're not smart is put yourself in front of people who are. Pay for mentors, pay for coaches, and see things that already work. If I would have known what a personal brand funnel looked like 2 years ago, I would have a lot more money right now than I do. If I knew what a high converting Shopify store looked like 2 years ago, instead of just putting random shit, weird colors and no copy, and I knew how to do that 2 years ago, my clients would be doing a lot better. So it's you have to get ahead by simply seeing what works instead of trying to use your common sense to get ahead when you don't even have any clue what works. You don't even know how to actually consume the failure and, obviously correct it and then fix it. And it's there's so many opportunities in our space right now, and it's not just the mental and mindset stuff. It's more common sense. There's a lot of people who start businesses and they're doing things, and I'm why would you not pop up social proof here? Why would you not read this first before sending it? Why would you not do that? What makes you think that that's okay? And it just astonishes me. So I know this is a weird kind of elaboration, but check your common sense. Find people who are doing better than you, open yourselves up to them, be open to constructive criticism. The reason why your progress is slower than others, if it is, it's because you simply just don't have the on-the-spot knowledge to get to the next level when there's people out there who are going to give you that, yes, at a price, because those people took years to sharpen their tool, and for them to give it to you at a faster rate is obviously going to cost you money. So keep that in mind. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new.